So
Cool.
HP soars 14.8%, sets record after Buffett reveals $4.2 billion stake. So kind of a funny time to invest in HP. I wonder what he knows that we don't.
That's what I was thinking.
Well, that's why people follow up and price goes up, because people are like, something, I don't know what's going to happen.
Price did go up in this situation.
Well, if Buffett does it.
Yeah. I think it's interesting because he doesn't hold a lot of tech stocks.
Yeah, he has Apple.
He has Apple. And then this is another big move he's made in the tech world, and it's HP. And I wonder why.
It has taken an 11.4% stake valued at $4.2 billion in the maker of personal computers and printers. Berkshire revealed in a Wednesday night regulatory filing that it owned nearly 121 million HP shares, including 11.1 million purchased this week. So obviously that sends it up 14.8%, going as high as $41.46. Berkshire does not regularly invest in technology companies, despite ending 2021 with a $161 billion stake in Apple. That's big money as well. It's definitely a well-respected investor, and anything they do is going to get a lot of attention. But I just don't know what HP's up to lately. What are people aren't going back to buying printers anytime soon.
I was reading this article, and they were kind of basing it on the fact that there's a lot more at-home work and at-home school. So just laptops in general are going to be people are going to buy them a lot more. And if you're Warren Buffett and you got stake in HP and Apple, that's pretty much like
You're hedging.
Most laptops.
Oh, right. Okay.
Right? But there are other laptops, but HP and Apple are the big ones.
So you got both sides covered. You got a Windows play, you got a Mac play.
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's a big stake, no doubt. $4 billion is absolutely no joke, and it acted as encouragement for others to do the same. But he still might know something we don't. HP could be working on something we're not even expecting.
Totally.
Metaverse.
Well, why'd you do that?
I had to.